First this evening, Jamaica is yet to provide data for a United Nations global study on children deprived of their liberty.
The revelation was made by Manfred Noard, an independent expert leading the study.
He said a questionnaire was sent to all Caribbean governments in February this year requesting certain information.
How many kids are in prisons, how many are in migration-related detention centers, in institutions, etc. And the date was on the 1st of September to get back to responses. Unfortunately, in the Caribbean region, we only got one state response from Antigua, but not from Jamaica and all the other Caribbean states.
TVJ News caught up with Mr. Noark at a conference hosted by the International Society for the Prevention of Child Abuse and Neglect. He's making another appeal for the information to be provided.
The ideal would be to select a snapshot date. So let's say the 10th of December, that the Minister of Justice instructs, for instance, all the heads of correctional institutions and then asks, can you please count how many boys, how many girls, which age groups are the citizens or non-citizens? And the Minister of Interior could instruct the heads of police offices or police detention centers, again with the same question.
Mr. Noark adds that experience shows that children in closed institutions get in conflict with the law later. He commended Jamaica for passing the child diversion bill and pointed to other alternatives to detaining children.
One should divert children. If they have committed petty crimes, they should not be imprisoned for that, also not while they are waiting trial. There are other ways and means like foster families, small places, institutions where they could be, to reintegrate them with the families if they are children that were running away from home.